Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best L6-30 extension cord is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in any professional's or serious DIYer's arsenal. Whether you're powering heavy-duty equipment on a construction site, a high-draw appliance in your workshop, or even a critical piece of gear at an outdoor event, having a reliable extension cord can make all the difference. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? Number 5. GEARit 30-amp RV extension cord. This 30-amp extension cord gives you an extra 50 feet of reach for your RV or camper. It's designed to safely and effectively power your vehicle, wherever your adventures take you. This cord handles 125 volts and 3,750 watts, thanks to its premium copper wiring. It ensures a strong and steady current, so you can power your RV with confidence. The cord features NEMA TT30 plugs with ergonomic handles for a firm, reliable connection. It's built to last, providing a secure power supply for your RV. Built for outdoor use, this cord can withstand various weather conditions. It's perfect for road trips or wilderness expeditions, ensuring reliable power in any environment. This extension cord is designed with quality components and rugged construction. It's a reliable choice for your RV power needs, providing peace of mind on the road. What we like. This extension cord is designed specifically for RVs and electric vehicles, ensuring a reliable power supply wherever you go. Its weather-resistant design means it can handle the elements, perfect for those outdoor adventures. If you're looking for a safe and durable power solution for your RV or EV, this is the one for you. What people say. Heavy duty. 50 feet is the perfect length, very thick and heavy-duty cord. Good quality power supply and a great value for the money. Number 4. Kohree 30-amp generator cord 20 feet. This generator cord features a twist-lock male plug, ensuring a secure connection even in harsh weather conditions like hurricanes, heavy rain, or snow. It's designed to stay connected when you need it most. The heavy-duty twist-lock connector prevents the cord from slipping out, providing a tight and secure connection. This design enhances safety and reliability during use. Made with 100% copper wire and a flame-retardant, heat-resistant PVC sheath, this 30-amp generator cord is built to last. It's also ETL listed, ensuring it meets safety standards. With a 10-gauge cable, this cord offers superior conductivity, handling up to 7,500 W. This design prevents overheating during extended use, making it a reliable choice. The 20-foot length allows you to extend the power source, keeping you and others a safe distance from generator exhaust. It also includes a cable organizer for convenient storage. What we like. This generator cord features a twist-lock connector, ensuring a secure connection even in harsh weather conditions. It's built with heavy-duty materials and high-conductivity wiring for reliable power transfer. If you are preparing for emergencies and need a dependable power source, this cord will keep your appliances running smoothly. What people say. Is okay for the price and doesn't bend or break on the connection. It weighs about 3 pounds or so and it feels pretty durable and thick, and it also very heat resistant, and when it get wet the inside stays super dry. This cord did what it was supposed to and gave me the ability to operate my generator from the driveway. Perfect extension cord for our generator. Heavy duty. Number 3. Kohree 10 feet 30-amp generator extension cord. This generator extension cord features a twist-lock male plug. It ensures a secure connection, even during hurricanes, heavy rain, or snow. This design provides peace of mind in challenging weather conditions. The heavy-duty twist-lock connector prevents the cord from slipping. It locks tightly for secure use. This feature enhances safety and reliability during operation. This 30-amp generator power cord is made with 100% copper wire. It's coated with a flame-retardant, heat-resistant PVC sheath. The molded plug is also water-resistant. The 10-gauge cable handles up to 7,500 W with greater conductivity. It prevents overheating during extended use. It's a reliable emergency extension cord for your generator. The cord comes with a cable organizer for flexible and effective storage. It extends up to 10 feet, keeping you and others a safe distance from generator exhaust. What we like. This generator cord also features a twist lock connector, providing a secure and weatherproof connection. It's made with high-quality components for durability and safety. If you like a shorter cord for a more compact setup, this is the perfect choice for your generator needs. What people say. Heavy-duty cord. Works as expected. Good quality. Number 2. GEARit 50A RV EV extension cord. This 50A charging extension cord extends up to 30 feet, providing a safe and effective way to charge your recreational and electric vehicles. It features NEMA 14-50 connectors and a weather-resistant jacket. This heavy-duty cord handles up to 250 volts and 12,500 watts. It uses premium oxygen-free copper wire for a strong, consistent current, ensuring your vehicle charges quickly. Each end has a 4-prong plug with NEMA 14-50 specifications. The ergonomic handles ensure a firm, secure connection that's easy to remove when needed. Designed for outdoor use, this extension cord can withstand various weather conditions. It's built to reliably charge your vehicle, whether it's hot, cold, wet, or snowy. The bright green jacket makes it easy to spot, even in low-light conditions. This helps prevent tripping and saves you time when setting up your charging station. It's safety and convenience, just as you expect. What we like. This extension cord is specifically designed for electric vehicle charging, offering high wattage capacity for fast and efficient charging. The bright green color makes it easy to spot, even in low-light conditions. If you have an EV and need a reliable and easily visible charging solution, this cord is a must-have. What people say. It's exactly as described, strong and functional. The handle on the plug-in is great, so easy to plug in and unplug. I use at 240V 32 amps around 6 hours and it stays cool. Everything about it is good, well made. Much more flexible after 2 years use. This will last forever. Number 1. Seeutek 30A generator cord kit. During a power outage, this durable cord ensures your home stays powered. It delivers stable power from a distance, keeping the noise and fumes away from your family. This generator cord features NEMA L14-30 PL14-30 are connectors and heavy-duty copper wiring. It's rated for 7,500W and offers full weatherproof protection, withstanding temperatures from -40 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The clamshell power inlet box has pre-drilled holes for easy, tool-free installation. It features a secure twist lock design for a stable connection and a green indicator light to show it is working. The included interlock kit is compatible with square DQO homeline panels. It safely directs generator power to your house by coordinating breakers. It requires 1 to 3/8 spacing between breakers. You'll receive a 30A generator extension cord, a pre-drilled power inlet box, a generator interlock kit, a storage bag, a wire lifter, and all the accessories you need. If you have any questions, please contact customer service. What we like. This generator cord comes with a pre-drilled power inlet box and an interlock kit, offering a complete and safe power solution. It's ETL certified for safety and reliability. If you are looking for a comprehensive and safe way to connect your generator to your home, this cord provides everything you need. What people say. The 10-gauge cable is flexible, with a good outer sheath, so it looks like it can take the sliding on the ground when I hook it up. The power box is well made and the cover snaps in place, so I don't have to worry about spiders getting inside the outlet when it's not in use. The generator cord is the correct gauge and it's super heavy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.